Hello friends, here I am coming up with a new video, new exercise which is somewhat tricky to understand. Have a look at the component now. This is a video which I am going to make now, and we are talking about how to create it. Okay, how to create, where to start with, what are the best possible ways to deal with this particular component. Fine, and I would like to start with this particular top view, which is not going to disturb any other features. So to do that, I'll select top plane as my sketch plane and try to create a rectangle. So you can draw with the help of line also, but I'm taking this opportunity of using a rectangle. Fine, I have created rectangle, means this is the rectangle, this is the one I have created just now, which is of 10 by 50. Okay, let us define this 50 mm by 10 mm. Let us take smart dimension once again. This is done. After this need to be extruded up to a distance of 20. That is okay, fine. You need to fillet that is also fine. After that, again we need to create one more piece here, one more piece. Okay, let us minimize the window, extrude it by 20 mm by using extrude feature. Let us make it 20. Done. Okay, and fillet the component wherever required. Here it is required, make it done. Fine. Here there is one more material removal is there on this face, sketcher. Keep the component normal to the window so that you can draw it better way. Take this as a reference. Here create a circle of diameter, check it out, it is going to be diameter 20. Oh sorry, I think it is 10. Oh fine, it is 10. We made a mistake. I just made a mistake. It is supposed to be 10. Fine, just remove. You can exit here also, no need to go all the time to the right side of the window, and check out the direction. Fine, it is clear, done. Okay, we need to create one more piece. You could see here, this is the piece we need to create. For that, we'll select the back face now, this face followed by sketcher. Keep the back face to the back only and try to select the front plane. Fine. Now here what we try to do is, we'll try to create this profile, this piece 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which is there in the front view. Okay, consider a line starting here, ending up somewhere here. There is some distance, don't bother about dimensions, later we can see. And attached, fine, till here it is okay, but we need to define them all. The overall distance need to be defined. It is 50, out of the 10 is already there, means 40 mm by 10 mm by 10 mm. Done. Okay, define it. This is supposed to be 40. Then again this should be 10 given. This is also 10. Rest no need to define now, because only one is left and this is already aligned to the sketcher. Have a look. This is the reason I have selected back face. That will help you in many ways, and it got extruded up to a distance of 20 that you could see on the top view. And exit, go to extrude, and it is supposed to be in a other direction, other way. Exit. Fine. Now there one fillet is existing there. That fillet you can do by using fillet option 3D by selecting this one. 10 mm radius, done. Almost done. Component is 90% completed. Only one wall need to be constructed on the top. That again you can do by considering back face as a sketch face. Rotate it back again. This is more important. Student will get confused at this particular point. How to select the plane, how to orient it. Okay, let us keep the selected plane to the back only and consider a line starting at this point, ending to, whether it is going completely, taking complete inclination or not. Yes, it is till here and here. Exit. and there is one more line somewhere need to be closed actually, but let us keep it in this way for our better understanding. Fine, let us define this first, later we will draw the other links. Now the overall height from the bottom is 50, and here also it is 30 mm. So let us define them first. This distance is 30, and from the bottom till this point it is going to be 50. Fine, till here it is okay. Now let us close it. Now consider a line from here, it is going to be some distance of 20, then this distance, done. Okay, if you completely close the profile and give dimensions, the complete profile may become zigzag. That is the reason I made it in this way. Okay, in some cases this will help you out. Fine, this is also fine. Again there is a circular hole that you can create now itself, because this will help you, but you can avoid one more step in your commentary by doing this, which is having a diameter of 10, which is placed at a distance of 10 by 10. Fine, that you can do by considering a smart dimension, having a diameter of 10, and this circle is placed at a distance of 10 from the vertical. Okay, and also at a distance of one more distance is given, 10. This 10 is okay, this is also maintaining 10. No, from here till this point it is again 10 mm. Fixed, fully defined. Exit sketcher, go to extrude. Fine, change the direction. Direction supposed to be in this way, up to width of 10. Done. This is how your component look like after completing. You can color them, you can use some other options on the same, you can go by some other methods also. This is not the only way existing, I am telling you the best possible way, and you can go with some other methods also. You can try some other options also. Fine, this is all about the exercise. Thank you for now. If you have anything to suggest or comment, that you can do in the box given below provided. Thank you.